Welcome to my review of Engati, a versatile AI-powered chatbot platform designed to help businesses streamline communication, automate customer service, and increase sales. As we dive into the features of Engati, I'll share my honest experience with using the platform, discussing both its strengths and areas where it could improve. First, let's start with the basics. Engati offers a variety of chatbot solutions for businesses across different industries. The platform allows you to create AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries, process orders, and provide personalized recommendations to users. Setting up a chatbot on Engati is relatively simple, thanks to its drag-and-drop interface, which makes it accessible to users with little to no coding experience. One of the standout features of Engati is its multi-channel support. The platform enables you to integrate your chatbot across several messaging platforms such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and even your website. This is great for businesses that want to maintain a seamless customer experience across multiple touchpoints. Additionally, Engati's AI capabilities are quite impressive, with the chatbot able to understand and respond to a variety of customer queries with minimal human intervention. However, no platform is perfect. While Engati offers a range of powerful features, there are a few downsides to consider. One issue I encountered was that the AI could sometimes struggle with more complex queries. While it can handle basic customer service questions efficiently, more intricate inquiries may require human intervention, which can be a bit inconvenient for users seeking immediate resolutions. Another potential drawback is Engati's pricing model. While the platform offers a free plan, many of its advanced features are locked behind paid tiers. This may be a concern for smaller businesses that are looking for a more budget-friendly solution. That being said, the value of the premium plans is apparent if you need access to advanced features like analytics, live chat, and integrations. Now, let's talk about what sets Engati apart from other chatbot platforms. One thing that impressed me was its ability to automate lead generation. Engati allows you to create personalized chatbots that can engage visitors on your website, qualify leads, and even schedule appointments, all without human input. This is a major time saver for businesses that rely on generating leads through their website. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? MiniChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Engati also offers robust analytics tools, which provide detailed insights into how your chatbot is performing. This feature is valuable for businesses looking to optimize their chatbots over time. You can track metrics such as customer satisfaction, response time, and engagement rates, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your chatbot's performance. Overall, Engati is a solid choice for businesses looking to implement a chatbot solution. It excels in areas like multi-channel integration, AI-driven automation, and lead generation. However, its pricing structure and occasional limitations with complex queries might make it less suitable for certain businesses. If you're considering Engati, I recommend trying out the free plan to see if it meets your needs before committing to a paid tier. Thanks for watching this review of Engati. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and business tech insights.